Hey everybody, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. Embarking on a DIY adventure in Kitsap County, Washington? Before you grab your hammer and nails, let's talk permits. Here's a quick guide to help you navigate the often confusing world of home improvement regulations. So projects that definitely need a permit are structural shenanigans. Knocking down walls or adding new ones, think of your house as Jenga. Mess with the structure and you'll need a permit. Electric eccentricities. Adding new circuits or upgrading your electrical panel, zap! Get a permit before you fry more than just your nerves. Plumbing puzzles. Moving sinks, adding bathrooms, or rerouting pipes. Before you unleash your inner plumber, make sure you've got a permit in hand. HVAC hijinks. Installing a new air conditioner or furnace, keep your cool and get a permit. Major makeovers. Remodeling kitchens, bathrooms, or converting garages. If it's more than just a facelift, you need a permit. Additions and new builds. Adding a room or building a new shed. If it's bigger than your doghouse, you'll probably need a permit. So projects that probably don't need a permit. Cosmetic touch-ups. Painting, laying new carpet, switching out cabinet handles. No permit needed. Go wild with your inner decorator. Minor fixes. Repairing leaks, repairing windows, or replacing shingles. You're good to go without a permit. Landscaping love. Planting trees or flowers. Go green without a permit unless you're building a Great Wall of Kitsap in your backyard. Getting your permit. Apply. Head to the Kitsap County Department of Community Development, DCD, website, or visit them in person. Bring detailed plans, no napkin sketches. Review. The DCD will check your plans to make sure your dream project won't turn into a nightmare, like building your detached garage or shed over your neighbor's property line. Yikes. Approval. Get your green light and keep your permit handy. It's your home improvement hall pass. Inspections. Schedule inspections as needed to make sure everything's up to code and won't fall apart when you least expect it. This saves a lot of headaches when it's time to sell. Conclusion. Permits may not be the most exciting part of home improvement, but they are crucial to keep your budget legal and safe. When in doubt, call the Kitsap County Department of Community Development. Happy renovating, and thanks for watching.